What is going on, fam? Y'all remember this piece? Huh? Does anybody remember the H2B? Cause damn, it's been a minute. It's been a little while. So about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I drove it to take Trey to school because he really likes it, the pops and bangs and stuff. So drove it to take him to school. Left school, and since I don't drive it that much, we had ordered Cracker Barrel. I'm telling y'all the whole story here, but I hope y'all cool with it. But yeah, we had ordered Cracker Barrel for breakfast. So I was already on the Civic, and it's like about a 25-minute drive. So I was like, well, I go and stretch the legs on it. It's been a while. It needed gas anyway, so yeah, I ended up just driving this to get the food and everything. And on the way back, the entire exhaust fell from under the car, and so I thought I had broke a hanger, like the little metal hanger pieces, but it turns out it was a lot simpler than that. So let me go ahead and get this thing in the air so we can get under the car, and I'll show you exactly what we got going on. So I got that wheel pulled off, and at the back here you can tell exactly what is going on. So me and Donnie, Donnie put this little piece of welding wire up here just so it would kind of help support it, get it back to the house the other day. But yeah, the rubber hangers just broke clean in half. This one, as you can see, let me switch to my phone, hold on. Okay, that's much better. So yeah, this is the one we put the welding wire on to get it. Well, basically I just had to stick it on the dial and drive it home. And then, as you can see, this one also is cracked. Like, look at how bad that's cracked open. So that's pretty bad. And then if you look straight up there, that one is broke as well. And believe it or not, this whole exhaust setup only has 3 rubber hangers at the back. There's nothing, absolutely nothing in the middle of the pipe. And that little spot under there, that's where Donnie patched it. Don't judge the welds too bad. He had to literally do it kind of on the ground like this, since neither one of us have a lift yet, but you know, we'll get there, guys. But yeah, he patched up my little leak that I had where it rubbed the ground when it first fell off. So that's Gucci. And yeah, pretty much all we got to do at the back is replace these broken hangers. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one here too, since it's already cracked. That's definitely gonna break. And the car should be, well, the exhaust anyway should be 100% then. They do make, ooh, ghost mode. They do make a like polyurethane exhaust hanger, like they're red. Jeff actually said he had 2 of them, but maybe I'll swap the 2 at the back out eventually for those. But right now I don't have them. I just have the ones that's left from like other setups I've been working on. So I'm just gonna replace all of the broken ones. Well, pretty much all 3 of these at the back, and we should be good to go. Again, this car has been dogged time and time again, like track days and just beating on the street. So of course stuff like this is gonna happen, because like this muffler is pretty damn big. The whole exhaust is 3-inch mantle bent. So I mean, yeah, it's made out of some pretty thin metal, so it's kind of light, but that's a lot to be snatching this thing all the time and stuff like that. It really should have been a hanger added under the bottom of the car, but I don't know why Easy Muffler just didn't do that. But what I may do too eventually, because it does have, like on the body of the car, it does have like the hook sticking out. So what I may eventually do is just have them weld me one extra hanger there and put a rubber like isolator on that, just so if it does fall, like if something breaks back here again, it doesn't leave me stranded, like the whole exhaust falls on the ground. Got all the rubber boots on, and I just wanted to show y'all the Maxpeedingrods coilovers. Completely fine, not busted or anything. And they've been on this car pretty much since I've had it, so it's at least been 2 years. And I mean, I launched the fuck out of this thing, and it's still holding up fine. Boy, I tell you. Guys, this car is so fucking sexy to me. I swear. Nothing, and I repeat, nothing looks better to me than a big old H stuffed in a Civic. This shit just looks so fun, especially when you're H2B, because that shit got that tilt to the front. God. I mean, that's a big block. Look at how high it sticks up. Like, that's a big block motor, boy. Sheep, that boy. Woo-woo. But anyway, as you saw in the last few clips, I dialed my alignment in better. I rotated my tires to the back because the back, as you saw, this one is the worst one. I'm gonna go ahead and get one. I'm not gonna drive it with the cord showing. So before you go to typing in the comments, no, I'm not gonna drive it like that. But I'm gonna just get one. I was gonna get 2 tires, but the other one is not that bad. So I'm gonna just get 1 used tire for now. And I just rotated the best ones on the front. And even when I get that tire, I'm still not gonna drive it until I can get this thing lined up properly. But guys, I don't know what I was thinking last time, but I had that alignment so out of whack. That thing is so much better now. Like, gee. But yeah, I had it really, really bad last time. It was towed in on both sides. So I probably pick up a little mile an hour now too. But yeah, so we got that done. Got the exhaust fixed. And yeah, other than those two things, guys, this car will be 100%. So I need to get a tire and I need to go ahead and get this thing lined up, which I guess I'm gonna go ahead and let Sykes do it. They did my truck and did beautifully with the truck. So while I'm out of work and I can go on weekdays, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to them and let them line it up for me. Yeah, guys, other than that, man, this car is absolutely ready to go. I do got one more touch that I'm gonna stick on it right quick, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. So this, guys, is a package from the guys over at Dragon-Spec, which is pretty much Mark and the JDI guys. They came up with a new brand known as Dragon-Spec, which, unless you've been under a rock, you've already seen this stuff on Instagram and whatnot, and probably in a lot of your favorite Honda YouTuber videos. But they sent me out a package. Got a couple keychains in here. Got the shades, which I can't wear, but this is what I was excited about. The weighted shift knob. And everybody that's installed them so far has either a K or B series. So I'm gonna be the first H powered car with this, well, at least to my knowledge, on YouTube. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that thrown in. And because we're gonna get that thrown in, we probably might need to drive this thing down the road and see how it feels. Hopefully it'll thread right on. There we have it, boys. Dragon-Spec engaged. Now this is the knob that was in the car before, and it is also a weighted knob. So I'm curious to see, the main difference I noticed is this one is a bit taller than Dragon-Spec's knob. So I'm curious to see if it feels like the throw is any shorter, but it's definitely, this is definitely a weighted knob as well. So not too sure if I'm gonna feel a big difference over the weight difference, but definitely this one is a lot shorter. So let's see what we got. Guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna drive the car, but I had to feel this Dragon-Spec shift knob right quick. Pause. So I'm just making one little circle around the neighborhood here. That's special. And I will say, I really like that. I feel like my shift is shorter, and a lot of people don't like a shorter shifter. A lot of people like theirs to be kind of up, kind of like the track cars, but I kind of like mine short because I can throw it with ease. I don't really have to move my arm back and forth. So yeah, it's working for me right now. And it feels a lot more effortless than the shift knob I had in here. It feels like it wants to go exactly where you want it to go. Shift knob, cables, shifter itself, none of that really matters to me, because as long as the transmission's good, the synchro's good, I'm putting that bitch in a gear. I don't get why people need to spend thousands of dollars on K-tune, billet shifters and shit. You don't need that, bro. If you can drive, you gonna drive that shit with the plastic box. You gonna drive it with whatever coming in stock. It ain't, the shifter don't make me, but I can definitely tell that this does make it a little simpler to put it into gear, which is a good thing. But you know, I never really had a problem getting my shit in gear anyway. This bitch going where I tell it to. Every time, baby, woo! Top of four, bitch. That's top of four. Shit, play boy, this motherfucker ride, baby. Woo! I know y'all missed that all motor shit. I know y'all missed that all motor shit. I might do it one more time. Fuck it. Shit feeling too good to me right now. Do this shit one more good time. I'm gonna go to first. To the damn house. Shit, this motherfucker ready, dog. Every time. This bitch ride, bro. Every fucking time. No issue. No fucking issue. Turbo car. Fuck boost. Damn it. This bitch ride, bro, every time. No problems. Fuck that turbo shit, bro. I love that too, man, but you can't beat this fun ass all motor, bro. Predictable. That bitch gonna do the same shit every time, bro. You hit that motherfucker, she going away from it. Every time. No problem. Fucking Maxpeedingrods suspension. That bitch doing work. I don't need no goddamn $1,000 suspension, boy. Cause I'm a driving motherfucker. I'm a driving motherfucker, boy. Need no damn high-end ass suspension. Why I need that shit for? That ain't gonna make me no better driver. It ain't gonna make you no better driver. Goddamn shit, boy. I got $180 tires on this bitch. She lead good as a motherfucker. So yeah, guys, back at the house now, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. But yeah, this thing, man, is the truth. I love this car. She looks good. Definitely gotta go and get that alignment done and get a tire for this back corner here. But other than that, man, this damn car is, whew, I love this thing. I love this thing. Look at that, boy. That joker looks so damn mean. Shee. But yeah, guys, smack that like button for me, man, if you haven't already. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Maybe, I'm thinking in the next one, we'll go ahead and jump back onto the CG. I did get a set of a header and downpipe for it yesterday, so we'll probably get that thrown on. And man, I also talked to James, and James is like, next Wednesday at 9 in the morning, if I want to bring the black card to the CG, we can tune that shit and get it to shoot flames and everything on HTS. So man, if y'all want to see that, man, like this video right now. If you want to see the daily CG on like HTS shooting flames and stuff, and see what it makes bone stock, because I don't think I've really seen another person dyno tune a bone stock F23 like American Motor yet. So yeah, let me know in the comments and like this video, man, if y'all want to see that. I would definitely go ahead and make it happen. I won't planning on it, but James is too damn persuasive. And then the guys over at HTS, shout out to them. Link will be in the description, because those guys always be, you know, showing hella love on Instagram and stuff. So, but yeah, I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.